Good morning, my dear students. Today we will discuss the health infrastructure. In the next chapter, already discussed the health infrastructure in the meaning of health. What is health infrastructure? Infrastructure means it is a basic facility provided by the people transportation, communication, school, colleges, hospital, drinking water, sanitation, road, this electricity. These all facilities should be provided by the people. It is called as the infrastructure. In the already studied the types of infrastructure. The types of infrastructure there are two types of infrastructures are there, social infrastructure and economic infrastructure. In the social infrastructure, we can say it is directly related to the economic growth, and economic infrastructure it is indirectly related to the economic growth. Then always studied the indicators of health like IMR, MMR, life expectancy, then education, drinking water, percentage of people living in the BPL family like this, like IMR, infant mortality rate, maternal mortality rate, life expectancy means how long people living in the country, then literacy rate. Literacy rate means the persons who are able to read and write a simple sentence at the age of 14. Then next concept we can study the start health infrastructure in India, means how the health infrastructure was developed in the Indian, means our country, because our country is as called as a developed country. Sorry, in developing country means developing means still it's in the process, still not developed. That is called as a India is considered as a developing country. So how the health infrastructure was provided basic facility to the people like hospitals are there. The example in the Belgaum civil hospital is there. In the out of one district only one civil hospital is there. Means India is considered as a mixed economy. But India is considered mixed economy. Mixed economy means coexistence of both sector, public sector and private sector. Both the sectors are there, but compared to the public sector run by the government, private sector run by the private person. So public sector compared to the private sector, public sectors are less. Take example hospitals. Like hospitals in India, means take example, for example in the Belgaum. How many hospitals are there? Only one hospital is there in the public sector. Take example private hospital. Private hospitals, so many hospitals are there. So many means n number of hospitals are there. So this data will compare the 2000 and 2010. Means take example 2001 and 2011 only. Means like why 2001? Because in 2001 census was conducted and last census was conducted in the year 2011. So in the year 2000 there are three concepts are there: dispensaries, primary health centers and subcontrasts. So dispensaries. So dispensaries means, what is a dispensary? Dispensary means hospitals. In India in 2000 dispensaries are there 23,065, and in 2010 it was increased 24,465, means only 1,400 dispensaries was increased within 10 years. Within this 10 years, how many hospitals means dispensaries, small dispensaries was increased compared to this 2000 to 2010. In 2000 23,065 and 2010 it was 24,465, means only 1,400 dispensaries was established in within 10 years in 2000 to 2010. Next, PHCs. PHC means primary health center, means those are villages are there. Means in the primary health centers like small hospitals are there. There are one doctor will be available and 2 or 3 nurse staffs will be available. That is what is the primary health centers. So in India, primary health centers are there 22,842. 22,842. That was increased in 2010. 23,673. Means here also 1,000 was increased. 1,000 primary health center was increased. Next, subcontrast. Subcontrast in India was there in 2000 37,311. 37,311. That was increased 1,47,069. 1,47,069. This only it was increased, means totally goes of approximately 55,000 it was increased only subcontracts compared to the dispensaries and primary health center, because here the dispensaries 23,065 in 2000 and 2010 it was increased 24,465, means only 1,400 it was increased. Take primary health center was 22,842, it was increased 23,673. Here also 1,000 was increased. But some contrast was increased 37,311. It was increased 1,47,069. So this data was means it show the number of hospitals. How many number of hospitals are there in the India? Come to Belgaum only one dispensary is there. Means one hospital is there all over the Belgaum. That is a public sector. Next is concept is RSM, Indian System of Medicine. Indian System of Medicine. In the Indian System of Medicine, 6 systems are there. That is called the Ayush. You can say Ayush. So Ayush is called the Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha, and Homeopathy. That is called the Ayush. And next, last is the Naturopathy. So these 6 important systems are there in India, like Ayurveda. Ayurveda means like those who are taking a tablets without any reaction, like some powder will be given, then some capsule will be given. That is called the Ayurveda. Like Yoga, Unani, Siddha, then Homeopathy, Naturopathy. Homeopathy means whatever tablet will be doctors will be given, it will not happen the reaction. Means it will not opposite reaction. That is called the homeopathy. So these 6 important system of Indian System of Medicines are there. So in today's class we have already discussed the social means infrastructure facilities. Which infrastructure facilities are there? Like transportation, communication, school, colleges, hospitals, sanitation, road, drinking water, railways, airs, etc. Then 2 types of infrastructures are there: social infrastructure and economic infrastructure. Then health infrastructure already studied the year 2000 and 2010. Means dispensaries are there, primary health centers and subcontracts. Dispensaries are there 23,065 and it was increased in 2010 24,465, 1,400 it was increased. Come to primary health center, it was increased 22,842, it was increased 23,673. And subcontracts it was increased 37,311, it was totally increased 1,47,000, means approximately 55,000 it was increased. And this last concept is like a ISM, means Indian System of Medicine, means 6 systems are there: Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha, Homeopathy and Naturopathy. Thank you.